Welcome to the foundational AWS services section. What we're going to be talking about is the AWS compute services, AWS storage services, AWS VPC services or virtual private cloud, AWS database services, and AWS elasticity services. Each of these has several subcomponents. Let's take AWS compute. We have everything from EC2 instances, and those have spot instances, on-demand instances, reserved instances, and also things like AWS Lambda. In storage, you have EBS, it stands for Elastic Block Storage, or Elastic File System Storage, and NFS Managed Service. In terms of VPC, this is where you would set up private clouds where your services communicate with each other. And then in databases, you have everything from a relational database that's managed, RDS, to key value databases like DynamoDB. And then in terms of elasticity, you have many services like load balancers that allow you to scale up and scale down. All of these are critical pieces of the cloud and will prepare you to be an expert. We're also going to go through and not just talk about it, but demo each of these services. Let's go ahead and get started.